Can you add animals or props?
Oh, animals, for sure. Um, so should I try and add it to this one? Okay. See, now there are two ways to do it. You could draw the animal in. So I could say bird. Here, I want a bird flying. And obviously, try it a lot of times, and this is a very tiny part of the image. But what we could do is do a larger part here and try and bring in a dog. And I could actually put in the image of the kind of dog, etc. also, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm just gonna do a few tests on just bringing in a dog. I'm getting all the interesting use cases now. Okay, so did we get a dog at all? No, we have not got a dog here, but I have one more. I fired one more. Oh no, we were checking for a bird, sorry. No, it's too small. But I could prompt it in and I could say add a bird or birds flying in the background. And here, when I drew a dog in a more mid-size area, then I can select which dog I like and I can save that shot. Aw, this one's cute. He's also running with her, and there's water, but he has two tongues. So I'm gonna go with either this one or this one. I think this one looks most appropriate, so I'm gonna click on save here. So that's how you can keep adding more and more to the same image. Should you want to erase parts of the image, you can do that.